How to check out on Turo. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this video I'll show you how you can check out on Turo, and this is how to go about it. The first step is for you to park the vehicle in a safe and legal spot, and then after you're done with the trip, of course, you fill the tank, the gas, or recharge the battery to the same level it was while you were checking in. Okay, ensure you do that. Then the next step is for you to take photos of the vehicle's condition, both inside and outside. This helps protect you from any dispute about pre-existing damage. Then place the keys in a secure location as concerning the host in relation to the host instruction. Okay, and then if you're not sure of the location, ensure you contact the host for guidance to avoid unnecessary issues, and then use your account to complete the checkout process by uploading the required photos that you've taken, and then by confirming the vehicle's condition. So once you've completed these steps, your trip will be successfully ended and the host will be notified. So that is it. So this is how you can check out successfully on Turo. Thank you for watching and have a good day.